Hi everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to use Click Lock on Windows. Click Lock is a feature that lets you track, highlight or move files without holding down the mouse button. It's very useful if your finger gets tired from clicking and dragging. First, just open Start menu and then just search for Control Panels like this. And then next on the view bar, just tap on large icon like this and then go to mouse like this, and then next just turn on Click Lock, this one, just click on it and then just click on settings to adjust how long you need to hold the mouse button to lock the click. For example, I will make it short like this, and then after that just click on OK, and then just click on OK again. And okay, let's try it. To use it, just simply press and hold the mouse button briefly like this and then just release it. Now you can drag or highlight the text or move files without holding the button like this. And to unlock, just click the mouse button again like this. And okay, that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.